Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new team in Microsoft Team apps. So to create a new teams, if once you click on Teams icon here, click on Join or Create Team at the very bottom here. You can create a team or you can join a team with a code. Let's create a new team. We're going to call this Special Event. The description, if it's a public team, you want to might give a description so people know what this team is about. In this case, I'm just going to create a private team. Click next. You can add a member later. It does not require you to add a member right now. If I want to add a member, I just type in a member's name. Just say, let's see, Timothy. Click on add. And if you want to promote this member to be an owner, just click on member and then choose owner. And if you want to add more members, just type in, click on add, and then click on close. So as you can see, the team has been created and there's 3 tabs automatically created for you: conversation, files, and wiki. And if you want to add more members, click on add more people, create more channel, click on create more channel. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.